Hey Leo, so we're here at Doc's, winter time, so you know what that means. We take on some big projects, restoration projects. So right now, we got three that we're gonna take a look at. We got a 1980 FXEF, a 1959 XLCH, and a 1983 XR1000. But let's take a look. Number three, 1959 XLCH Ironhead Sportster. Rolling chassis. So basically this bike, I think, ended up going from one place to another place. No one really finished it up, so he brought it to us basically to complete the build. So we're gonna go through it. It looks like it's been freshened up. The frame looks like it's been powder coated. The tins look like they've been freshened up. He did bring us down this motor, this Ironhead motor, saying that it was just rebuilt. So basically, we're gonna go through it, determine whatever else it needs, rebuild it, put it back together, and have this on the road ready for them to go. So those are our three projects for this year. But if you're looking to upgrade, whatever it may be, give us a call and we'll have you in and out. We'll get you a free estimate. 83 XR1000, 59 XLCH, 1980 XFEF coming your way. All right, we're back. It's a wrap. One of our winter projects that came in the winter. You guys remember it. It was basically a rolling chassis. The motor was out of the bike. They had the motor done. Kind of went from shop to shop. No one really got it wrapped up. Brought it to us to assemble, install the motor. Went with the Morris Magneto. That thing is hot. A lot of people said you couldn't make that work with the SNS carburetor. We made it work. New front and rear wheels, front and rear tires, new chain. Obviously a thorough go through of the bike. The bike was in great shape, so you can't go wrong. But this 1959 XLH 1100 is a wrap. We're gonna fire it up, and that's it. Check us out, docsmc.com. All right, 59 XLCH. About to fire this up. Let's take a look. Bike looks great.